Hey guys, it is me as Its.Alexaaa, and so today, back with another video, but almost fell out of my chair there. But before we get into the video, make sure you like this video, subscribe, and turn on post notifications in 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you done it? If not, then go ahead and do it. Click it. It's right below there. Right down there. Just click that subscribe button. And guys, we need one more subscriber to 20. That's like one of my first goals I've wanted ever since I got in YouTube. So thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I love YouTube. Like, if YouTube wasn't invented, I wouldn't be here with you guys right now. So, sorry, I dropped something. Oh, look who it is. It's a real little. So, go ahead and watch that video of me cleaning my room. I just finished doing that, and so today we're going to be reviewing every single one of my fidgets. Not every single one of my fidgets, but only every single one of my fidgets in the bin. If you do not know, I love it. So go ahead and first of all, go watch that video and then come back to this video. Go watch clean my room that video and then come back to this video. And so, yeah. So, we're going to start by reviewing some things. Oh, plus guys, if you did not know, I will be going to a place called Its.Alexaaa. It's in Alabama. Yes, that means I do live close to Alabama. So, yeah. Playing with this thing that I got from my friend. It's really nice. Okay, I love it. I love the pops on this. The spins. I always wanted to do that, but yeah, we're going to be reviewing this. So go check out that video, come back here, and so yeah, let's get into this. Okay, so first I'm going to review this fidget. First of all, I love the pops on this. Let me try to pop all of this up. Oh, and since I have this little fella, I'm actually going to review her first. First, I need my unicorn chapstick. Not chapstick, it's like lip gloss. Oh, that scent. That's what I do when I want to see what it tastes like without licking it and eating it. So that's good smell. Okay. Sorry. I also got bubbles, but they're not just any ordinary bubbles. Find it. Here it is. I think so. Is that it? I'm just trying to see. Okay. I did find this sauce, so we're going to view it. I love that also. Here are the bubbles. Okay, I left a big mess, a pile of things on my floor, but let me just take it out, plop it onto my bed, and yeah, that's what I do. So, here are some bubbles. They're not any ordinary type of bubbles. They're like really sticky bubbles, and they're almost like glue. So I'm going to demonstrate it for you. So I'm going to blow some bubbles. Okay. And I'm going to hold one. Dang it, didn't work. So the point of this is that it actually, is it dried up? some dried up goo at the top. Okay. So it's like gooey. So. As you can see, it's like dripping. Okay. Oh my gosh. What is happening? It, like, see? And then look when you pop it. It just turns into this, like, icky, gooey texture. To me, that's actually pretty cool because I never had bubbles that you could actually, like, touch. So, thank you, Paisley, for giving it to me because I asked for it. Because I thought it was really cool, but now I realize it's getting everywhere, so like that. And then I rate this 7 out of 10 just because this is supposed to be a light blue. Well, no, I don't give it, well, no, I give it an 8.5. Yeah, 8.5. Just because, sometimes when I pop these bubbles, they sometimes pop back up, and it's kind of annoying. And, it was oily earlier when I was playing with it. Don't know why, but it was like greasy something. So, rate that 8.5. We rate this fella 7.5. I rated it in my other video. So, yeah, go check that out. I forgot what it was. And then, yes, queen. Wait, no, I have 7 dimples. Just missing that other one. So, I have 7 dimples. So, there's this one. It's kind of big for my hand, but I love spinning fidget spinners on camera. They look so cool. That's that. I rate this a 10 out of 10. The pops are amazing. Here it is. Okay. So I love that. So I gotta hurry because I'm about to go on a walk and the camera's about to die. It's gonna die soon. So I got this unicorn squishy. It's really beautiful. And if you don't know me, I love unicorns. I love unicorns a lot. So this is unicorns. Wait, no, this is me. This is unicorns. They fit perfect. So yeah, I rate this 9.5 just because it has an air bubble at the bottom, like, and I cannot get it out right here. Okay, it's a legit air bubble. You can see. But yeah, it's fine. So 9.5. And then this Bear Simple Dimple. It's so cute. I rated 9. I rated 9 out of 10. Just because this thing, like, this kind of moves. You could hear that, so like I have a fear it's gonna break one day, so I just rated a 9. And then this unicorn symbol dimple, I rated a 9.5 because it does not have any sound. Hear this. Which has no sound, but it's so cute. Everything technically that I got is unicorn. Look. And unicorn. Everything I got is unicorn. So, yeah. There's that. Unicorn simple dimple. And then this heart poppet. 10 out of 10, girl. Well, no. Not a 8.5. Just because, this actually will not come out even if you use a pencil. And it has numbers on the back, which does not make sense. So, that's an 8.5. Wait, did I say? Yeah, I think I said 8.5. And then this unicorn, it's actually really, really good. Just sometimes when I pop one bubble, another one goes down. So that's a 9. This I would rate a 9 as well. It's very cute froggy. And then the pineapple. Did I say froggy or doggy? I'm not sure, but I don't like the pineapple, how it's red, so I give it an 8. I'm sorry, I'm rushing. And then this green soccer ball fidget spinner, 10 out of 10. I'm going to show my friend because she really wanted to see one. So, and plus what I just pulled out. Something sticky in here. It's buttery in my basket. But yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. And as I said, Its.Alexaaa tuning out. Good night and sweet dreams. So, bye guys. Oh, don't forget to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and like this video. Bye bye. Bye.